Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Illustrated Excel 2019 Module 10 SAM Project 1B. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. File setup. Open the file, save it as _2.xlsx, and ensure your name appears in cell B6. Enable the Developer tab if needed. Step 2. Comments. Update C7 to -$100.00 and delete the comment. Reply to comments in E7, very good, thank you, and F7, yes, the balance is correct. Add a new comment in D6, is this the correct merchant? Please verify. Step 3. Import data. Copy data from support_ex19_10b_purchases.html and paste it into A9, D12. Step 4. XML data. Add support_ex19_10b_loans.xsd, map XML elements, e.g. purpose B2, and import data from the XML files. Step 5. Protect workbook. Protect the workbook structure without a password, save, close, and submit. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website hhelpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.